Product model NTS870, suitable for most domestic car models. The seat comes with a 3-point safety belt. Its design balances safety and comfort. Adjustable seat armrest. The armrest can be supported by the elbow, relieving fatigue during long-distance driving. The backrest of the seat can be adjusted within a range of 90度 to 142度, can accurately match different driving posture requirements. Integrated lumbar support can alleviate fatigue during long-distance driving. Front 2 airbags adjustment. The seat can be adjusted for height by pneumatic means. Press down to lower. Supports precise adjustment in back ears with an adjustment stroke of 100 毫米. Raise seat outputs. Supports precise adjustment in back ears with an adjustment stroke of 100毫米. Seat with soft and hard adjustment function. Softest state can alleviate lumbar fatigue and reduce jolting sensation. Hardest state improve stability and reduce the impact of vehicle shaking on driving. Seat with one-key intake and exhaust function. After one-click exhaust, the seat height can be restored through the inflation button, achieving quick descent and quick ascent. The seat cushion can be stretched and adjusted, can relieve side pressure during long-distance driving. Adjustable seat tilt angle, adjustment range, +4度-11. Horizontal adjustment function, double locking. Adjust the stroke by 230毫米.